All right. Hello, everyone. We are wrapping up week 2 of our accounting course and getting ready to start into week 3. You should have gained a good understanding of double entry accounting in week 2, the different steps we go through to analyze transactions, and then apply the rules of debits and credits in coming up with our actual transaction. The purpose of this is to make sure that we're consistently recording our transactions into our accounting system so that we can get accurate and reliable financial statements that we distribute to our users. This week, we're going to be doing the next steps in the accounting cycle, and that will be the journalizing and posting steps. Journalizing refers to writing your transactions in what we call a general journal. Here you will record every transaction that you have using debits and credits, and then taking those transactions and posting them to a ledger. A ledger is simply a grouping of all your accounts where we put like transactions together. So in your ledger, you will have a cash account, you'll have a revenue account, an accounts receivable account, etc. So after we record the transaction in the journal, we will take those items, post them to the ledger, and that will give us an updated balance on each of those accounts. The next step is adjusting entries that are done at the end of an accounting period. Adjusting entries are used to update the balances in accounts that may need additional changes. You will see there are two types of adjusting entries, what we call deferrals and accruals. In practice, a business may not have all of the different types of adjusting entries, but since we are accounting students and learning this topic, we have to make sure we can clearly apply all of these. Your assignments this week will be consistent with what you've been doing in prior weeks, so make sure that you get started on those as soon as possible. Keep up your engagement in Yellow Dig, making sure that you post frequently and you post new and unique content. I really appreciate all you've shared to this point, so just keep up the good work. As always, if you have questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be glad to help. I hope you have a good rest of this week. Take care.